Imagine this: you've poured your life savings, perhaps even a hefty chunk of your retirement fund, into a groundbreaking venture, a private spaceship company. The press releases are glossy, the CEO's vision is inspiring, and the promise of interplanetary travel for the masses feels tantalizingly close. You see yourself as a pioneer, an early investor in humanity's next great leap. But then, a subtle tremor of doubt begins to ripple through the excitement. What if, amidst all this cosmic optimism, something goes wrong? We're not talking about a little hiccup, a delayed launch, or even a minor system malfunction. We're talking about the kind of catastrophic failure that sends your investment, and potentially a dream, spiraling into the abyss of space, or worse, Earth's atmosphere. Investing in spaceship ventures isn't like buying shares in a tech company with a proven product. This is uncharted territory, fraught with risks that are as immense as the cosmos itself. One of the most immediate and devastating pitfalls is a launch failure. Think back to the early days of space exploration, or even more recent private sector attempts. A rocket exploding on the pad, or disintegrating mid-flight, isn't just a setback, it's a colossal financial black hole. All the R&D, the manufacturing, the fuel, billions of dollars, quite literally, up in smoke. And for investors, it means a rapid and often complete loss of capital. The confidence in the company plummets, future funding rounds dry up, and the very viability of the enterprise is called into question. Beyond the launch, there's the sheer complexity of in-space operations. A spaceship isn't a car, it's a delicate ballet of intricate systems operating in the most hostile environment imaginable. What if a critical life support system malfunctions? A propulsion system fails mid-course? Or the navigation goes haywire, sending the craft spiraling off into the void? These aren't just dramatic movie scenarios, they are genuine engineering nightmares. Fixing them is often impossible, and the cost of developing fail-safe redundancies is astronomical, cutting deep into profit margins or demanding continuous, diluting capital raises. Then there's the inherent regulatory and political risk. Space is not the Wild West. Governments, international treaties, and the ever-present specter of national security all play a role. A sudden change in regulations, a new international agreement restricting certain activities, or even a political spat between nations could ground an entire fleet of spacecraft, rendering your investment inert. Environmental concerns, too, are growing. What if a company's re-entry methods are deemed too polluting, or orbital debris becomes such an issue that launches are severely curtailed? Finally, let's consider the market risk. While the idea of space tourism or asteroid mining sounds thrilling, the actual demand and economic viability are still largely theoretical. What if the cost of a ticket to orbit remains prohibitively high for the general public, limiting the market to a tiny fraction of the ultra-rich? Or what if the promised riches from space resources never materialize, or the extraction proves far more difficult and expensive than anticipated? You could be investing in a beautiful dream that simply doesn't have a sustainable business model. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.